Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a design team project. This is for a trace of sparkle. I am going to link her her channel and her Etsy below. I haven't been on here in a while, and it's just I have a lot going on, but I definitely wanted to get my DT project done for her. I saw some more kits on her Etsy that I'm super interested in, but I wanted to share what I used. So I ended up using, this is just some examples of it. This is what I used here. I'll link the exact kit if you're interested in it. And this is on glossy photo paper. And this one here, so fucking gorgeous. And then this is just on regular paper. So this is actually just standard, copy paper. I can't get the whole journal in the video for some reason. It's really big. So it is 6 by 9. It has a 1.5 inch spine. This is one of the pendants I made using her paper. And I added a little charm. This is a amethyst. It's gold plated with some trim. I gotta make it so where you guys can really see what the whole thing. I just cannot do it for some reason. All right. It's just kind of big, and I don't have the Okay, so look how gorgeous this is. I just love it. This is the front of it. So I, like I said before, I used photo paper for the cover. It's cardboard on the inside. The covers are cardboard. The paper, actually my husband made it. So he coffee dyed paper, and then he did the base of the journal. So he did the hard part. He wanted to learn how to make a junk journal, and I showed him. So he did a pretty good job. And this is the other side, the back side of it. So freaking cute. And I made it to where it was flexible. So like, you open it up, and it opens right up. I'm actually going to use this journal for my drawings, for my jewelry. But if you haven't seen how I made these, I will link it below. That way you can take a look at it. So that is my journal. Thank you for watching. Please go over. I have a new channel. It's a Spanish channel specifically just for jewelry. I decided just to keep this channel for paper crafts and other bead related projects, but that have to do with paper crafting. And it's also in Spanish. So if you're interested, go over and check it out. Thank you so much. Please share and show us some love. Until the next video. Bye.